Eclipse Tools.
Welcome to the Pros Kit Display Assembly video. Unpack the display box, have plenty of floor space to assemble, and watch this video along with printed instructions to avoid common challenges and to make the assembly quick and easy. First, identify the inner base. It squares off and is able to stand on its own. Fold the tabs on the inner edge. You will fold the larger tabs inward and the smaller tabs outward. Next, find the 4 slotted pieces of the supporter assembly. This provides inner strength to the display. With the angled pieces going back to front, insert the 2 rectangular slotted pieces. Insert the supporter into the inner base with the highest part of the angle toward the front. Identify the large front panel. Use a utility knife to carefully remove the slots. With the unfinished side forward, place it up and on the display, where you folded the tabs inward and outward. Make certain the arrow is up. Feed the 6 smaller tabs through the slots. Now, you will secure the back by taking the same tabs and tucking them into the adjacent slots. We will now attach the color backer. Make certain the arrow is up and facing the back. Color side forward. Again, prior to inserting, remove the pre-scored slots with a knife. With the backer in place, we will now fold the top, sides, and bottom into place to create the enclosed space of the display. Take note of how the side flaps wrap around the top and bottom flaps for rigidity. We're almost there. Now we assemble the shelves. There are 3 shelves, 2 labeled A and 1 B. Start with B. Fold with the black to the exterior and bring the side flaps in and under the outer lip until it locks into place. Slide the shelf into place. B rests snugly in the bottom of the display. Now, assemble the 2 A's, black to the exterior. You will have 2 long tabs to each side of the shelves that will insert into the inner sides of the display. There are 3 vertical dividers, labeled 1, 2, and 3. Fold them in half and insert them into the center of the shelves, 1 at the top, 2 in the middle, and 3 at the bottom. They will lock snugly into place. Lastly, we will add the header to the display. Fold it back and insert the 2 tabs into the front sides of the display. And that's it. Your display is now ready to be stocked with great Pros Kit tools by Eclipse.
Eclipse Tools.